Backyard Farmer here, Backyard Garden in 2025. It's been about 2 weeks since I updated you guys because I had put everything in the pot. Well, so I thought so. Let me show y'all what I did today, what I'm doing today. Right now, here are some mango seeds that I had saved and let it sit in a paper towel for a couple weeks until it sprouted a root. And what I'm going to do is put each of those seeds in one of these pots right here. So I'm starting a mango plant. So let me go ahead and take those seeds right there and put it in this pot. All right. All right. So the mango seed, I put them in the pot. All right. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I do got some more. Got avocado and some more mango seeds still sprouting. So the pot ain't that so big. I was going to plant all three of them in one pot, but I said let me just give them their own individual pot. Maybe I might do that next time. Put 2 or 3 in one pot, the same as that size. But that pretty blue, we're gonna see what it's gonna do. All right, let me give y'all an update on the rest of the garden. So y'all remember my last video a couple of weeks ago when I had the strawberry tower and the herb tower. Well, the very next day, the cat came in and knocked it down right there. Knocked it down. So I was able to, the roots of the strawberries wasn't damaged, so I put them back in the planters. And instead of me putting the tower back up high, I just broke it down to 2. And I had to wait. Like I said, this was 2 weeks ago. So here go one of the pots, and those are new ones. But here go one of the pots that broke, and something sprouting up. So I figured that'd just be a part of the garden. That's just a chaotic garden. We'll see what sprouts up. But I see some things coming in. Something coming in. But the strawberries are looking okay. I know because of the rain and the wind and the storms we had, they don't. But some new flowers are coming in. Look at that's one little strawberry right there. Okay. Something down there sprouting up. Yeah. I'll take this off. That's the damage. So the nutrients can focus on the healthy plants, giving nutrients to the healthy plants. But they looking good. The strawberries are looking good. So what I did was the herbs I planted today June 1st, and I planted everything back in here. The basil, the lemon balm. What is this? How did I write that on here? Oh, that's crazy. I thought I skipped one. But yeah, that's the the basil, the lemon balm, the marjoram, the dill, the chives. So this is the mint. That's what it is. That's the peppermint. That's the peppermint. So yes, I definitely wanted to grow these specific herbs to have. All right, and also today I tidied up a little bit, and let me take you back over here to where the mangoes were. I planted my winter squash, so by the time the fall come, I'll have some squash. In this pot, I planted a purple onion, a piece of purple onion that I got from the store. It had some roots growing out the bottom, so I decided to plant that. And also, I planted some bell pepper seeds that I bought from the store. So I saved the peppers and decided to put them 2 in the pot and let's see if they sprout, see if they work. And look at the rest of the garden and the other onions I have here. Some things are coming up. Oh, he wouldn't lay down. Okay. But yeah, that's some sprouting up. And If you would like to know more about that, I just made a video and update on this. Check out my other page and you'll know about that special herb. Okay, here's the first herb tower. Things are coming up. Here we go. Things are looking good. My letters are coming in. Look at that. My water tower, I got it because the rain coming down. It's dripping. That's why I have the cup under there. And I have it on the little lane there. But it's, anyone knows how to keep the water clear. It's a little cloudy. So I collected nice, oh, it ain't as heavy now because I used it to water the plants that I planted today. But that's my little rain barrel collection. Oh yeah, so back to my original question. Does anyone know how to keep the water clear? What do I need to do? I've heard vinegar, bleach, peroxide, lemongrass clippings. There we go. My greens are coming in. So yeah, things are coming up. I'm happy. There's my compost that I started again from all my food scraps. And due to the rain, I knew, and me putting in more green, I have to add some brown to it. Here are the marigolds. I gotta take some of these dead flowers off so the nutrients can focus on what's already healthy. So I'll pick through those. And here go the cayenne peppers. Oh yeah, I also have my other strawberry kit. I had to hide it because it was drowning. So I have it hiding. So I'll pull that out so it can get some sun. It's supposed to be sunny the next 3 days. But yes, that's the update for my backyard garden 2025. I know everything is everywhere, look a mess, but it's one thing, like I said, about containers, you can move them. So as the sun moves, you can move the pots. Yeah, I'm definitely excited. I'm happy about the mango I just planted today. And I got the new herb towers up today. Like I said, today's June 1st. If the seed ain't in today, you're just going to have to wait till next year. Or unless you got a greenhouse. The way I'm at in the world, you got to be in today. So, all right, y'all. Any questions, comments, concerns, any suggestions on the rain barrel collection, how to keep the water clear? Thank you all who subscribed so far and have followed along this journey. I really do appreciate it. And I also do appreciate the feedback. You know what to do. Hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button. And comment. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Backyard Farmer here. 2025 gardening.